What's going on, guys? First video on the new channel. Yeah, that's I'm actually about to go to my first ever car meet. I'm actually very excited, though. I kind of do wish that the first time I went, I would have had something to actually show off, but I don't. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. It'll probably be a long time, but maybe one day I'll have something cool. But just going as a spectator, in my Accord. I love my car though. I'm a Honda guy. A cool kid always says he's a Benz guy. I'm a Honda guy. I do want like a Civic Si or like a Type R. Don't judge me, okay? I'm not a super knowledgeable car guy. I'm working on it, trying to. Don't really know how that's actually gonna go. But yeah. I had to make a quick run, but other than that, the next place we're going will be the car race. We're going to Cars and Coffee, it's outside Nashville. So yeah, I'm pretty excited actually. So we'll have to see how it goes when we get there. Got to make it. We're locking in. Look at this. Woo. Those are nice. Nice. But we made it. We made it. I feel kind of out of place here. I feel like I shouldn't be here. Okay, I don't know. We're just going to figure out. Oh, there's just like a crosswalk right there. This is an AMG. I feel like I'm dreaming a little bit. I don't know. I feel like I had a dream like this before, but I don't know. What's that? Looks like a M2. It's M2, I think. That's a Corvette. That looks nice. She's not a fan of the Cybertruck.
Why am I leading?
You're not leading. We're just walking. You see that? Look at that. Look at that. Nice. Come on. How you going? Look at that. It's like all old. You see this? This looks nice, doesn't it? That was GTR right there. These are nice. Oh, hold on for a second. I'm gonna go over here. I've never done this before, so I don't even know how to lead. Especially this. Look at that GTR. That looks so sweet. Inside of it. Ooh. So GTR. Let's have a that is pretty nice. It looks pretty sweet. It's got the fuzzy dice. The dice. Yo! They did not have the truck from Twister here. That's crazy. That means Bill Paxton's not dead. He's here somewhere. I knew he was faking it. I bet Robin Williams was too. They're here. Yeah. No. It's just there was a rumor saying that I don't think Robin Williams is dead. He's out there somewhere. He just doesn't want to be found. I did not know these existed. That's crazy. Did not know that at all. Rusty would like these, I think. Yeah, I think Rusty knows a thing or two about these old cars. Said, look guys, my knowledge basically begins and ends with I don't know, okay? I'm just good at looking at cars, not actually, knowing what's up under the hood. So these are pretty nice.
That's my first car.
No, it's not.
Probably like that, but...
Well, you had an Impala?
Yeah.
And one Sentra with like a custom badge. Truck from... Some more fuzzy dice. That's pretty. Flex, no stick shift. You got going on there?
I don't own cars.
Oh, I thought you said you don't like. I thought you said you want a car on the ground. I was like, what? I said you probably just want it bagged or lowered. Then I'm not super big on that.
Yeah, the owner out there, he could just get ready to go first.
Right. Look at Oh, well, look at this. She's just walking. What's up, Multi? She's just walking everywhere. So what do you think so far? You need my jacket? Are you cold? What?
I said there's a child in the back of that one.
It's a child in the back.
Well, it's all, I mean, basically, the wider the tire is, I think that number is
It is. That's crazy. Speed running, ain't you?
I want to go over to the vendors.
Oh. She's just here for the coffee part of this. And she doesn't even drink coffee. I like this color though.
The pink?
It's kind of like a fuchsia color. This one YouTuber watched. You guys have heard of Doubt Cars? He's got his BMW wrap like this. I like the. You know what? I'm not hating on the color. I love the color. It shit looks nice. I will not be told otherwise. A Nismo. Sweet. All right, boys. It's just us now, so we keep going. Without him. Keep going. Look, that one's got a gap coil. It usually does. He's got the stick for a gap coil. Stock gang. Now this feels like where I don't need to be. I don't know. I got a funny feeling. Probably can't hear a word I'm saying right now. It's kind of crazy, actually. 2.4K. I know that ain't right. Should I break my bank and get one of these? I think it'd be worth it. 5,500. I feel like it'd be a scam. It's like, get it, like, yeah, you need to replace everything in this car, bro. Like, it'd be kind of crazy. I don't know. I feel like I could probably mod my car, but it feels kind of stupid. Like, I know people can like mod Accords, but I don't think mine is one you could. My last one, maybe. Not this one. Not this one. Supra. You have to forgive me. Like, if you came from my old channel, you'll know in like these actual real life videos, I suck at camera angles, so you're gonna have to forgive me for that one. He's got the lights on the bottom of his. Okay, I'm not cool kid. I don't have cool kid level expertise. Not by myself. Let's go back. This is something very close that what I want is like this right here. Not even gonna lie. This is like very close to what I want. Yeah, you know what? My friend was right. Oh, it is an M4. It's a blacked out M4. That looks so sweet. He is right. Like all these, yeah, everybody that has the nice cars, they have like the black license plates. I was having a conversation with him the other day about that. I like these wheels. This is nice. It's worth it. That's pretty talks about it? I think it is. I could be wrong. Please tell me if I'm wrong, because I'm pretty sure I'm wrong. I've always wanted to see that in person. Now I can say that I have. It's fucking cool. He's back, bro. He's back. He's not leaving. Shit is crazy, man. I'm telling you. Oh, he's got in trouble. Oh no, they got him. Oh, no way. That's custom badge. It's like just change it. Oh my god, dude, so I'm not even worried about that. Dude, it's a fucking Type R. Oh my god, I just saw one of my dream cars for the first time ever. Bro's getting arrested. Talk about crazy. That's insane. Okay, never mind, maybe not. Let's hope not, because that's like really stupid. Like, come on, bro, don't do that. Just, told him I loved her. Some more supers. I found another. Oh shit! I'm not trying to get hit. It's another type. It's a hatchback. Nah, I knew it'd be worth it to come here, bro. I can officially say I've seen one of my dream cars in person now. Yeah, I know Type R might not be the flashiest pick, but I don't care, bro. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm a Honda guy. You don't like that? I don't really know what to tell you, bro. It's a Hellcat. This? I don't know. I'm the scat pack. Scat pack. I remember,
It's the way.
oh, alright, well, let's go this way. Hey, don't tell anybody, but yeah, this is it. This is it. My mom literally used to have this kind of car. My mom literally had this, but she had a stick. See, look, there's your brand. Oh, it's this why it's a Type N. This is basically Hyundai's version of like the Civic Si and Type R. Not as cool though. Oh, nowhere near as cool. Oh, there's the SI. The paint looks a little rough, honestly. See, this is like, that's the kind of car I want. Where are you going? She's hating. Look at her. Look at her face. She's hating. You gotta stop with that hating stuff. Don't be hating on my stuff. I know, don't worry. Will not be standing for it. Hold on, I'm gonna come back and look at this. Woo! Damn, I did not know they had rooms like that. I really don't know anything, do I? I don't know shit. Uncultured swine. There we go. There's another Type R. Look at that. That one is decked. Stuff. There's another Honda. Yeah, I saw a dude in a suit earlier. It shows I gotta show up in like class and style. Found another Civic. It's a stick. It's a stick. Man, this ain't even a stick, bro. It's not a stick, bro. Yo, look at that. We could just casually just steal that car right now. But we're not gonna do that. Design. Kawasaki.
I like the undercolors.
Yeah. See, it's just it's a couple of them over here that are like that. Or it looks like the wheels just like inside the car a little bit. You see it? Dale's got chains and everything. He's just doped out. You gonna get you some merch? No merch for the baby? Oh, that's okay. It's like an old one. Look at that. That's pretty nice. Rolls that. That's a. Oh, there's an S-Class over there. I do like the color though. The color is nice. Look at all the Z's. Those is like the. You see the Ghost right there? R8. That's pretty. That's pretty. Let's go check that out. Yeah, that's. Well, babe, I think we're about done. I think we came, we saw, and it's it. Look here. Okay.
Yes.
She's looking at the Tesla. Okay, we'll come back over here and look at it in person. Oh shit! They are actually. Okay, I saw them. See, we're still finding stuff on the way out. But yeah, that's pretty much all we got from the car video. Don't pay any attention to my hair; it looks like crap. But yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap it up this video. So, if you enjoyed it, go ahead and subscribe, like. You know, everything. You know, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, really helps out. I guess I could bring that over from like my main channel. So yeah, so you know, hopefully in the future we can have more videos. Like we're just probably just be doing like POV drives and all that, because I kind of feel that's what most of this channel is probably going to be, and that's just what I really want to do, because I like to drive. Like I like to drive, and I want to be able to have like a separate channel that's not like gaming at all. So yeah, I think that would be pretty cool and something I want to try, you know. But that's all I got for this one. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, peace.